Hey, what's up? How are you? Okay, now let's talk about 2013 No Mint Mark, Lincoln Shield Penny, United States of America, E pluribus unum, 1 cent, Lincoln Shield Penny. Okay, let's find out the value or the price of a 2013 No Mint Mark Lincoln Shield Penny in top condition. Yeah, 2013 No Mint Mark in top condition. Okay, here we go. The most valuable 2013 penny with no mint mark was graded MS68RD by Professional Coin Grading Service and sold in 2018 for $576. $576 for the 2013 No Mint Mark Lincoln Shield Penny, graded MS68RD by PCGS. Okay, that's all. I hope I was able to provide some information for coin collecting. Okay, bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe.